art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Hello Kitty in a stocking. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. On the right hand side we're going to start by drawing in an oval for our right eye. And then we're going to leave quite a big gap coming over on the left hand side, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Now as we come in towards the top of both eyes, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight of our eye. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for our nose. Coming up on a diagonal now for the bow, we're going to start by drawing in a circle in the center above our right eye. On the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and then in, creating a half circle. And then we'll do the same thing as we move in towards the top. Moving inside of that, making it smaller, we're going to curve this line around and then down again. For the ear now, we're going to arch this line around and then down on the right. On the top now, we're going to curve this line over. And then for our left ear, we're going to replicate that shape, curving this line out and then back down on the side. Let's move down and draw in our hands now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. And then we're going to leave a gap coming over on the right-hand side and replicating that shape. We're going to close this off in the middle with a straight line from left to right. Closing off the side of the head now, we're just going to curve this line down on the right-hand side. And then we'll do the same thing from the corner over on the left. For the whiskers now on the top, we're going to curve this line out. Coming down in the middle, let's replicate that again. And then dropping down one more time, we're going to curve this across. Now let's move down and draw on the rest of the stocking. So on the side, we're going to continue this line underneath, curving this around, down, and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, bringing this out, down, and then back in on the bottom. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line across from left to right. On the left-hand side now, coming down, we're going to curve this line over and out. On the top now, blending that in, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. And then we're going to continue to bring this line all the way across, bringing that up on a diagonal, bringing that in towards the top. Now from here, we're going to connect this together by bringing this line down and then curving this in slightly as we come in towards the bottom. On the side now, we're going to arch this line around and then down on the bottom. And then from here, we're just going to draw in diagonal lines as we come all the way across, leaving an even amount of space in between each one as we do so. And then in the middle here, we're just going to draw in a heart. So we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from that point on the top, again, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. And that is it. That's how you draw Hello Kitty in a stocking. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.